Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on nedbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. Welcome to my fans onto TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 2, Super Sport 2. Orlando Pirates wins via penalties. I'm joined by Mr. Sander,
the honest analyst. Stibo Mnandi.
Exactly.
Hayi Mnandi nami. Stibo
the honest analyst.
The honest. They are very honest analyst. I just talk what's happened mina. Angiso umuntu obhaya ubuso lapha ukuthi meeting ngiyangithola
unbiased.
I just talk football nje into eyenzakele then ngiphume ngihambe.
Just trying to fix South African football.
Stibo
brother.
No, Stibo without wasting any time angene kuyona igame yanamuhla Orlando Pirates versus Super Sports la Old Peter Mokaba Stadium. I think first talking point engifumele ngiraise ukuthi we need to give credit to referee yale game. That's the first thing yithi mangilalela abantu bekhuluma laba ngayibonanga ukuthi I didn't see anything ekhande icontroversy ukuthi izokhulumisa abantu because of I decision ya referee.
Yes,
most of our game we know ukuthi they are now won by our referees. We even gave man of the match. Our referees we give them man of the match because of impact they have to our games. Because a referee for me, the way I understand the referee, it's someone who just there on the pitch to make sure everything goes to
smooth
the way football. But when we start to discuss referee, then it's becoming a problem.
More than the game.
So ngifuna nje kumnikeza credit. I don't know which referee bekhona kule game, but I just wish ukuthi naye aqhubeke njalo akwazi ukuthi amanage kahle amanye ama games. And others nabo bafunde ukuthi this is how you manage a game. Steve ongene phakathi kuyona I game tough one for Orlando Pirates especially, but ngizoyiphula nje ngoba phela mina you know ukuthi I'm just someone who just ibulala bese ngiphuma ngihamba ngithola oqala nje ngizoqala nje ngiphakamisa ukuthi first half ngibonile Pirates is with that attacking mindset kuma players wonke, especially in the midfield. If you bheka ukuthi they were allowing Umbatha the same thing abe yenza against Chippa United ukuthi le collect mfana uphase uye phambili uyangithola le collect mfana uphase uye phambili. I saw even eMakaula doing it kancane kodwa not most kwi game uyangithola, but ke naye beka ithatha leyo responsibility ukuthi if Umbatha uyambona ukuthi is not there then ahamba yothatha responsibility uyangithola. Then you look at a player like Umago. I was talking up in the game le Chippa United ukuthi why uMako ahlala ebenchini whereby he didn't do anything wrong. And I asked myself ukuthi mangifaka uMako ngizosubstitute abani, because manje Hoto is playing on the left and Mfukeng is playing on the left and Marco is playing on the left, and Hoto is someone who plays good left wing, can play good right wing and can play good left back. But when I look at this game I thought maybe uzo introduce Tito with Hoto and uMako aphumuza Mfukeng. But I understand ukuthi shoot Mfukeng is playing a big part le team Orlando Pirates uyangithola, and mawubheka ukuthi he's playing each and every competition. I think mina mangibheka the whole stats say Orlando Pirates I think is in the top 3 players adlala ama game amaningi.
That's true.
That's true. Especially this season, he played more games than any other player angale ukuthi ku4 kuyaphansi. And that says a lot about Mfukeng, what imthwalo awuphethe as a young player. Is 20 years. Is still 20 years. And he uthola umathatha ukubheka ukuthi is doing so much for Orlando Pirates. Even about Tito nabo bathola amakhadi, then they get an opportunity to rest. So many players they get opportunity to rest. Yena he can play 90 minutes. Namhlanje I think utholile that lucky ukuthi abe substituted. But for me omunye ngezwe bekhuluma bethi Mfukeng after he was substituted there was a lack of something. But for me ngizokhuluma nje ibhola because it is something ebiyenzeka vele. I think ibhola lelahlekele midfield. angithi we were talking Sithibo about uNdlovu with this boy ekuthiwa Moralo.
Yeah.
Together with Ulebohang Maboy.
Yeah.
Those three players, I think they played a big role today, especially ngokwazi ukuthi ba-study this pivot ka Mbatha kanye noMakaula, especially in the second half. I think first half game a coach abaningi I think babonile ukuthi Kevin Hunt was not available, so who managed the game, it was the assistant coach Sinkhuhle igama lakhe. But yeah, but mawubheka ukuthi first half imhlulile kakhulu ukuthi he couldn't read the game Orlando Pirates ukuthi what Orlando Pirates is trying to do. If ubheka ukuthi Orlando Pirates, I told you last time ngakutshela ngathi Mohaung Kota is a special player when it comes to that attack line.
Yeah,
I think that the best thing Mohaung Kota that can do as a football player, I think the best thing akwazi ukuyenza ukuthi I recognize space. I think that's a thing emenza ukuthi abe dangerous kanje. You look at Makgopa is a striker that doesn't play with the space but plays with a team, wants to play with the team. If abona ukuthi ibhola lifike phambili, what he does ukuthi drop a back azo help a team ukuthi build the ball.
Yeah.
But we look at Mohaung Kota, he doesn't do that so much. He's playing in a position yokuthi okay, understand how to position yourself as a striker. I understand ukuthi if there's someone okule space lesa kadinga ithi ngakusona, then I must look for another space.
Sure.
If ubheka ukuthi Mohaung Kota, he was able to get more of possession, more passes. He made more passes in the first half. Maybe let me say top 5 players ayenza ama passes amaningi in the first half. Mohaung Kota was one of them because of mawubheka ukuthi he was getting more of a possession. Sure. I think he was the most dangerous player we attack line in the first half.
Sure.
But coming to his second half, that is where a coach for me, I think ube ne second half game plan ukuthi okay, this is how Orlando Pirates is doing things. And Orlando Pirates, for me, I think this is a cup game and they are competing in 3 competitions, but I'm coming la ndaba leyo. But for now, ngithi mina, they are coming to the second half. They understand ukuthi okay, we can't substitute lama players ala in midfield, especially these 3 players I was telling you about. But what they did, they changed the attack line up. I don't know what is happening in attack line Super Sports, especially ngayibona first goal, it was a mistake. You look at the second half, the chances they got, the passes they were able to progress to the attack line. Bakwazile ukuthi mabethola that player, especially le dlale number 26, because ukuthi itholakala space in ngithola bengakangeni ama substitutes, angakakhuluma ama substitutes.
Yeah.
Khona le bidlala ngapha left wing naye maybe kwazi ukutholakala. You look at uBalidi le dlala left back.
Sure.
I think they are playing one of the greatest players, young developing players, South African football. MLS wabheka ukuthi one day sizingomle sosebenzise for a national team ngithola. But ke you look ukuthi bese kwazi ukuthi adedeleke aye phambili asitholele leso space less, especially akwazi ukudlala kwi line, or sometimes abuye in azodlala asize ama midfielders ngithola. You look at a player enjengo Nyiko Mobi, that is where he got more of the attack ukuthi akwazi ukuya phambili. Those are two full backs badlala ngeback 4 ekwazi ukuthi ihlale. But second half mawubabheka ukuthi they were able to go to that attack line boy 2 lama full backs. Then after le player le edlala la kwi-6, it's either uNdlovu or le ntwana ngithe Moralo, they come back and help le 2 esiswele la part. That is why if Pirates uyibheka ukuthi la ngaphakathi they didn't have much space, but ispace ebesibavulele le sama full back whereby they khona pass ibhola to it's either uMark, then engangena ngaphakathi, or it's either baphasele iplayer is already playing on the right. It's either Tino van Rooyen, because ngibona Tino van Rooyen introduced. Tito came in but akazange adlale esitito lo esimazi. Bese ubheka ukuthi bathi mabeli read that game ukuthi okay, now an Orlando Pirates team sesiyibambile ngokuthi they are attacking with lama white players. After sebeyibonile lama white players, that is where you saw ukuthi ama players, more of ama players Super Sport United ilabo bosiwabona se drop ukuthi wonke asizane so that they can ensure ukuthi Orlando Pirates ayisangeni indawo. Then after kwaphakama uHotho, that is where uHotho was able to operate from left side abekulona to right side to center forward, because bekhola ibhola lelikhishiwe whereby aba ne 1v1 neLokhuzana ne goalkeeper. Then wasithashaya walivimba lokhuzana Ricardo Goss, and then Ricardo Goss I think ngizomnika credit ukuthi namhlanje he gave a performance SABC expected from him, although he considered those 2 goals. And the first goal, I think it was era from iSuper Sports ukudefenda i-set piece. I think that thing mele bahambe boyistudish ukuthi you can't let ama players ane power amade ukuthi abe ne space like uMbokazi yangithola. You have to be aware of those players. There are some players whereby uma ushaya ikhona you know ukuthi this player is not dangerous. No mengama lapha but he's not dangerous. You have to be aware of lama players laba and mark them yangithola. But it was just an error from them. Then the second goal, I don't know ngizwe uThabza ethi Mohankotha was offside, but we'll see it Monday yangithola. But the second goal, it was Mohankotha, the one I was talking about, which he had so much impact in the first half yangithola. But you look at the Super Sports, you look at Orlando Pirates, and I said to myself, okay, Super Sports they got Orlando Pirates with now coach agcina ngasazi. I think ugcine setting no, okay, let me just make these substitutes and bring these players. Anything must happen, and I think for me that's led to extra time and penalties. And congratulations, which they won by penalties. But next time, next time, because you need to have a plan. Young told you need to have a plan. Okay, if plan A, then what's your plan B? Young told I know he introduced new players like Carbon Jondo. I don't know what's happened to Kim Vuidi. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani why angam introduce. I think he's one of our players lawa anganikeza that impact ngo last minute ngithola. But ke ngiyababongela nje Orlando Pirates for iwina namhlanje, but ngidlulela kule Kaizer Chiefs. I think Kaizer Chiefs ngiyayibongela for a 3-1 win. I think the players who came in, especially from the bench, I think they gave so much work, especially Mfundo Vilakazi, Mdu Shabalala, look at George Maklo. I've been talking about these players which one day abantu bazobabona ukuthi these are actually players who can grow Kaizer Chiefs to the next level or win things with Kaizer Chiefs with these players. And look at Ucele, they need, I think this is something ngimele ngisho nje in front of the camera ukuthi can they sign a permanent contract no Ucele, because if ubheka ukuthi kule game imagisi so structure in midfield besingekho that structure that you needed from Kaizer Chiefs if you compare the game they played against Mamelodi Sundowns. But namhlanje we are told ukuthi the structure was there because they were able to score one goal. Kaizer Chiefs then they led by this goal or up until 87 minutes if I'm not mistaken. And so then he said PC yakhona score Stellenbosch. Then after it was that controversial goal engisazoyibona nayo ukuthi what was happening. I saw we referee consulting. I think it's the second time ngiyibona referee consultant. There was a goal that was scored by Mhango last season Maroka Swallows edlala ne Sundowns whereby uDivine Lunga wahead ibhola lasehlala kumhango wakora. After that got it's no goal, then I saw ama referees consulting, then it was a goal, it was a 2-2 draw. Namanje it was the same thing ephinde yenzeka futhi ukuthi everything they said stop, then wabeza ukuthi they are communicating yangithola. Then after it was a goal yangithola, but that goal it is the same thing that happened to Orlando Pirates when they were playing in final Stellenbosch. Remember ukuthi after they considered that goal eyaba controversial ukuthi why mabasaqaya ibhola where something kanjalo. After that base be loser that focus ukuthi sebe focus lapho ubonile ukuthi goalkeeper bese kajaha umfundo ngathi umfundo uyena ugoalkeeper strike ngitho umfundo bese kwazi kwagijima nebhola wakwazi ukuthi ayifakele ibhola umfana ajabule, and it's a great goal from him ukuthi izomnika that encouragement ukuthi ke maya phambili abone ukuthi nayo izowenza njani. But ke it's so much interesting ukuthi Soweto Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates bakwi semi-final manje sekushoda iMamelodi Sundowns izophuma vele sekhukhune baxosha ucoach. But ke manje sekuzobe le game imarumo ne Durban City, then after sizobona ukuthi who's going to the final. Thank you Steve.
Ucina sign up ku netbankcup.co.za.
Steve unike usale ngileyo mali
okay every goal. I mean every goal. When you sign up